Linux. So Linux architecture. What is that, guys? So Linux architecture. So what is the Linux architecture, guys? Does anyone knows what is the Linux architecture? Guys,
That means file hierarchy system you are telling, right?
sorry?
Linux architecture means file hierarchy system you are telling, right?
No, not file hierarchy. So this is the one, right? So what this is, sorry. So this is the hardware, right? In the hardware, what OSs you install? You install the OS called as a CentOS 9, right? On the hardware. So on the hardware, you install the CentOS 9. So what are the components of the Linux? So what are the components will be available under the Linux? I will tell you now. So what is that, guys? So where you install the OS? Where you install the OS? On the hardware, right? On the hardware. So under the hardware, there is a kernel. What is that, guys? So kernel is running. So what is the kernel? I will tell you. So the kernel is running. On top of the kernel, the shell will be running. What is that? A shell. On top of the shell, the applications. On top of the shell, the applications will be, so something like the application will be running. So on top of that, so the users will connect to the will connect it, right? So what are those? So this is kernel. Kernel will communicate with the hardware, and there is a shell where we are executing our commands. We are executing our commands in the shells. On top of the shells, the applications will be running. So your website will be running. So the user can communicate, can connect with this. What this is, guys? So this is nothing but a Linux file system, Linux architecture. The components of the Linux. What are the components? Linux architecture. What is that, guys? Linux architecture.
So the kernel is called OS, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, good question. What is that?
Kernel
So
is
kernel
called
is not
OS.
a OS. So kernel is a part of the OS. Okay. So what is a kernel? It is a core component of the Linux operating system. What is it? So kernel is a,
Core component.
yeah. So what is the kernel, guys? Hardware. Hardware, you already know hardware. What is hardware? So hardware is nothing but a Dell PowerEdge R710. So this is the hardware. So what is the kernel? What is the a kernel? It is a core component of the Linux operating system. It is core component of the Linux operating system. It is the core component of the Linux operating system. It is responsible to execute our commands. It is responsible to execute our commands. Okay, it is responsible to execute our commands. It is responsible to interact with the hardware component. How it will interact? It will interact. It is responsible to interact with hardware components. It is responsible to interact with the hardware components. So that memory allocation, processor allocation. So I will take care by the kernel. What is that? Memory memory allocation, processor allocation, right? Will takes care by kernel. It takes care by kernel means it will communicate with the hardware. What is that? So kernel will communicate with the hardware. So kernel is not a OS. It's a heart of the OS. What is that, guys? It's a heart of the OS. The kernel space and the user space will be, so will be is nothing but a OS. What is OS? The user kernel space and the user space is nothing but a OS. So what is a shell? So what is a shell, guys? A shell is nothing but so what is a shell? So we are executing the commands in the shell only. What is that? Shell. It is the outer layer of the Linux operating system. What is that? It is the outer layer of the in Linux operating Linux operating system. It is the outer layer of the Linux operating system. It leads our command, verify the syntaxes, and check whether the corresponding commands related to application is available or not. If everything is proper, then shell interacts our command into kernel, understandable from the from and for understandable form and hand over to the kernel. Shell act as a interface between the user and kernel. Shell act as a interface between user and the kernel. Okay, so how you can check the, so which shell is using Linux operating system. Okay, so what is that? Bash shell. What is that? Bash is nothing but a born again shell. So which shell, guys? Born again shell. If you execute the command, so $echo dollar, for example, it is hash, guys. What this is? Hash echo dollar shell. It will shows the which shell you are. It will shows the which shell you are. Understood? So something like a command. So what is that? A shell. Shell is nothing but a CLI. It's a command line interface. It's a command line interface. You see this, right? So how you are executing the commands? You are executing the commands through the shell. So this black screen is the shell. How you are interacting with this server? You are interacting with this server through shell. So shell will execute the commands. Shell will execute the commands. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
So
So
command
how many
execute.
shells are there, sir? Because you
Yeah.
say like which shell it will say. So
Yes.
how
Yes.
many
Yes.
shells?
So we have a K shell, shell, T shell, TSH, T shells. We have a number of shells. How we can check? We can use the cat slash etc shells. So cat slash etc shells. It will display the shells. So we have a K shell, T shell, shell, bash shell. So different types of shells we have. Okay.
Okay.
Sam, understood?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
So shell is nothing but a something like a, it is nothing but CLI. What is that? Command line interface. So what this is, guys? Is a command line interface. How you are interacting with the server? You are interacting with the server through commands only. Command line interface. Command line interface. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the execution, how it will execute the command. So the command execution flow. For example, what are the commands we are executing? So we are executing P commands, right? On the Linux part. So I will show you that part, but yeah. So something like, for example, Hari is connecting to a CentOS 9 mission server, VM, right? These all are connect to the server, and he logged in as a Hare user, and he is typing a command in the terminal. So terminal is nothing but a shell. Okay, so a command on the terminal. So something like, what is the command? Touch or ls command. He executed the ls command. So command will be submitted to the shell where you submitted the shell. So the command will be submitted in the shell. So once you hit ls mkdir cd hit, it will display the output. How it will display the output? So command will be submitted to the shell, and shell checks whether this command is a valid or not. ls command or mkdir, this is a valid command or not, and whether it is properly used or not. So then, if it is a proper, shell interrupt that command into a kernel understandable form and hand over it to the kernel. So that kernel execute the command and perform a required action. So something like again prompt will be displayed to the terminal, which indicates ready for the next command. So right. So this executed, it will display the command and the prompt. So what is that? The display prompt. The again prompt will be displayed on the terminal to ready to execute the next command. So ready to execute the next command. So if it is not, the syntax is not proper, it will not display the any command. So the user types the commands in the terminal, something like ls, mkdir, whatever it may be. Shell reads the command. It will check whether the command is valid or not, whether it is properly or. So if everything is proper, then shell interrupts or translate that command into the kernel understandable format. Shall hand over that interrupted command to the kernel. Kernel execute that command and perform required activity. So once the command is completed, the shell returns the prompt. The shell returns the prompt. Again, the shell returns the prompt. This prompt. Okay, guys, understood?